Hi friends, today we're having a fruit color parade. Let's see what colorful fruits are coming. Are you ready? Let's go! Red fruit, apple. Another red fruit is strawberry. And don't forget watermelon. Orange fruit and orange. Yellow fruit, banana. Green fruit, pear. Blue is for blueberries. Purple fruit, grapes. Wow, today's fruit color parade was so colorful. Red apples, yellow bananas, orange oranges, purple grapes, green pears, strawberries, and watermelon. Fruits are fun and healthy too. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.